much like the bird. Doesn't show any birds. There's a trail. Maybe they just left.
In about 400 meters, left turn at the end of the road onto Front Street. Then, in 50 meters, right turn.
So, where do we turn left? 300 meters we turn left.
At the flashing red light there.
Yeah. Okay. That was a big old barn at one point.
Probably the hotel.
Left turn at the end of the
Open your
road
door in
onto
front of me.
Front Street. Then, in 50 meters, right turn.
This is not such a nice little town. Bank of
It's an
Montreal.
old town. It's all right.
All right. God, is that green?
Where do I turn again?
Not yet.
Right turn ahead.
Ahead.
I bet you that's it right there.
You think so?
I think that was it.
Okay. We'll go around. Oh, look, let's sit outside.
In 200 meters, left
yes.
turn onto
want you-
Nelson
Yeah.
Street.
I thought
Then,
that was
in
the-
200 meters, left turn.
Where's Nelson coming up here?
Coming
We missed
up here.
it.
Right here's Nelson. Do you remember in Portugal, we kept missing things?
Left turn ahead
around?
onto Church Street. Then, in 200 meters, left turn at the end of the road.
There's the seniors. It's a villa. As soon as they call something
Ding.
a villa. Church Street.
Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Left turn at the end of the road onto Main Street. Then, in 200 meters, left turn at the end of the road.
The other streets look better than the main street.
Okay.
Okay.
Left turn at the end of the road onto Front Street. Then, in 50 meters, right turn.
Know where they are anywhere, dark windows. Huh? Is this a three-way stop or just a one-way stop?
One.
Well, that's not very helpful. Okay, on the right.
Let's try this again.
Okay, there's a little sign.
Right
Wait.
turn ahead.
Ooh, I just missed the curb there in that corner.
You better take it easy. But I didn't hear anything pop, so that's good. It's a pretty house. It's older, but you could easily fix that up. It's conservation.
Looks like a chicken barn or something over here.
South Nation Conservation.
Finch View. Something.
He's got Quonsets like the toy storage with the red on the end.
Start with you. What do you think about
The
this
side
idea that
or
moral
over.
activities are good, actually?
Yeah, I mean, like, it's not. I mean, obviously, this isn't the first time someone has said this. We know that.
Could be.
A few cars in here. Conservation.
You see all the pictures on the wall?
South the nation. On fire for the
Oh, yeah.
Natives.
Remember this town, it's got a jog in it. And then we continue on.
220 meters from County Route 43.
We've been here before. Chrysler, jog in the road. Yep, to Chrysler. All right.
The fireworks again. Must be the French.
Ooh, this guy's turning. Okay. Sorry.
Very good. I would have missed it. I think we did miss it.
There were no cars coming, so I took a wide turn. Don't come out or you die.
Train track goes slowly.
Too late.
Incredible. Well, they planted a lot of new trees.